this design just here has a really low DPI. Now, if we click on the inspector and take a look, it's only 72. But what if we wanted to increase this to 300? Well, we can use a website like this. Now, this is Clidio.com. It's completely free to use, and this is how we can increase that DPI of that design. Now, what I'll do is link this website down in the description. But all we have to do is take our image, drag it onto the page like this. It's going to upload. We can set the DPI that we want. Now, 9 times out of 10, you're going to go for 300. Then we're going to click continue. We're going to give this a few seconds, and now our design has been increased to 300 DPI. So if we download this, and now if we open this and do a comparison, we will be able to see the increase. So this is the original, again, 72, and this is the newer one. If we click on Inspector, we can see 300 DPI. Now, don't get this confused with upscaling or vectorizing. DPI is just dots per inch, and this is something that you need. Well, you need 300 DPI if your images are going to get printed. But nonetheless, that's how you can increase the DPI of an image, and completely for free. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.